Sabayi Tuktuktan. Welcome to the halftime show. Are you guys excited? First off, I just want to say thank you everyone who came out. This is a great turnout, and I'm really happy to be a part of the San Diego Love Boat Racing Festival this year. I can't wait to be a part of the next one, hopefully on one of those boats paddling. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started. Again, thank you everyone who came out. A lot of people showed up who isn't from San Diego. I'm not from San Diego actually, but it's great to see the whole community kind of just come together and be a part of something big and awesome like this.
Hello everyone, I'm Jada from Asan Onpeg. I'm so happy to see everyone here. There's like double the amount of people from last year, and it's very nice to see the community coming together and all celebrating. And I want to say thank you and congratulations to everyone paddling. It takes a lot of time. They took a lot of their own time to be here and give us a nice little show, just for us to get together and come together as a community. And I hope we all have fun today for the time show.
Great. All right, so our first performers are. Okay. So we have Jumpanoy coming up on stage, and they're gonna perform for all of you. So everyone, give them a round of applause.
วัฒนธรรมประเพณีชาวลาวนะครับหลายเนาะถือว่าเป็นการเผยแผ่สิ่งดีงาม